kind of person you are. Are you a person who just love to talk, like talker, or you are a person who take actions? Maybe that action is imperfect, inspiring action. Uh, is it your nature is to take action, or is it you just love to talk? The kind of talker, or maybe you are action taker. Maybe you are a student of good learning. Maybe you learn. Maybe you learn but you don't take action. Maybe you take action but you don't learn. Or maybe you just talk. Which kind of personality you have, which kind of nature you have, you need to understand this thing. And let me tell you, if you are just talker, you will not move uh, for long period of time. You will not move in the long run. In the long term, you will not you will not go far. But if you are an action taker but you don't learn, you will not go far again. And if you are a person who learn but you don't take actions, it's just you are just keeping your learning on your mind. And let me tell you, if that learning is not into the action, if their learning is not converting into the action, I guess that learning is not fruitful. So you have to understand which kind of person you are, and you have to take action based on your personality. But let me tell you, everything we can develop, everything we can improve in ourselves, because we are the only species in this planet. We learn, we apply, and we improve. And this, and we are the only species that we have this ability to change ourselves. So first thing first, you need to understand which type of person you are: a talker, action taker, or just a thinker. Maybe you are a learner but you don't take action. If you are a learner, you are just doing, you are taking lots of learning, but it's a kind of over learning. Once you feel that you are a person, just once you feel like, if you are a learner, you will feel like you are overloaded with knowledge. But that knowledge will not work unless and until you will take actions. So the intention of making this video is just to realize you, like which type of person you are. Maybe you are an action taker, or a walker, talker, thinker, dreamer. So you need to understand which type of person you are, and you need to change that. Because let me tell you, it's not gonna happen if you are a talker, if you are a thinker, if you are an action taker, and if you are a learner. It's only happen if you can change your life, and you can get more opportunities for yourself when you do everything. When you talk, when you learn, when you implement, when you take action, and then only you will grow in your life. And growing is nothing but success. If you grow, if you growing in your life, if you growing from the last month, from the last week, from the last day, it means you are succeeding, you are on the way of succeeding. So it's not just about money. Success is not just about money and the happiness, and not just about having that luxury thing and the resources thing. It's all about growing. If you are growing, it means you are living, it means you are learning, it means you are growing, and that leads and a great opportunity for yourself. So make sure whenever you do something, you understand, you will look, you reflect yourself, like which type of person I am, and you need to work on that type. Because let me tell you, only human being are in this planet, that type of species who can actually realize and change their life. So yeah, that's all. Like, in this video I just got a thought, like I was thinking this thing for myself, and I thought, like, why not to make videos and share with you. So just go learn, implement, take actions, talk. Of course, when you talk, you will get you will get more thoughts. But when you get thoughts, if you're not taking actions, that thought is just a waste of time. It's just a waste of time. So make sure you will take action, you will inspire other, and you will grow in your life. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Kamlesh. I will meet you on the next video. Until, stay inspired, stay happy, and stay safe.